everyone, I'm Juana of Mesa and Misis. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, join me as I share one of our family's favorite plant-based meals. We will have Langka burger steak. I replicated the same flavor, but this time with all the health benefits of young Langka and B vitamins from mushrooms. And don't worry mga mommies, easy to prepare to and pasok sa mga budget nyo. For our recipe, we'll be using the following ingredients. 1/4 green langka cut into semicircles, 1/2 red onion, 1 cup of button mushrooms. I like to slice these into smaller pieces para kamukha siya ng burger steak na nabibili sa labas. 1 cup plant-based milk. So I always use almond milk, and that's only because I have it at home because my kids like to drink it. They make plant-based hot chocolate with it, and I use it for other recipes that you'll find on mesaandmisses.com. But any plant-based milk, rice milk, oat milk is okay, cashew milk even. 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast. Now this is a secret for people who cook plant-based food. It makes everything taste like cheese. So this is like the secret ingredient of this recipe. 2 tablespoons tamari or soy sauce. And lastly, to thicken the sauce, we use cornstarch or arrowroot. And of course, you can add any salt to taste. Okay, so the first ingredient is green langka. It has to be a young langka because there's 2 kinds that you can find in the market. The one that you eat as a fruit, which is yellow, and the one that you eat as a vegetable, which is green, like this. This is what it looks like inside when it's raw. So the trick with langka is to remove the sap is to soak it in baking soda for about 15 minutes. It gets rid of the sappy taste because sometimes you'll taste it, and it makes it more tender, no? This is what it will look like when it's already boiled, and this is what we'll be using in the recipe today. This took about 30 to 40 minutes to get this color and this tender. And the cool thing about langka is when it's boiling, you'll start seeing the water turning pink. And that's about the right time for the doneness of the langka. So, shall we start cooking? So the thing with plant-based cooking is I try as much as possible not to use so much oil. So the first step is to brown the onions. And the reason we put the onions first is because onions have a lot of water. So you'll start seeing this sweat out and it'll start changing color. The other thing that has a lot of water is mushrooms. So we're gonna add this here. If you can see, nagtutubig na siya. There's no oil, there's nothing there. And we'll sweat this out for a little bit. Now I'm gonna add our langka. So it's already quite soft. I'm gonna place it here. This will sweat out a little bit of water as well. So I think this will fit maybe 4. We'll be focusing on next is getting the flavors soaked in from the plant-based milk. So I'm gonna start with this. Again, this is almond milk. Any milk will do. Almond milk is naturally a little bit sweet. So we're gonna counter that with a bit of soy sauce or tamari sauce. And this also gives it that burger steak color. Now for the secret, or not so secret ingredient anymore, it's our nutritional yeast. So this will give it a cheesy flavor. Nutritional yeast is also high in vitamin B12. So for us, my family is plant-based. Since we don't eat any meat, vitamin B12 is very important. The mushrooms have it, but it's always good to add extra, and it's really masarap. And last, I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch para kumapal siya. The other way to do this also is to dissolve the cornstarch in hot water. before putting it in. But since there's quite a lot of liquid here, it will dissolve anyway. And you want to just keep on coating it. And you keep stirring this for a few minutes and you'll see the sauce thicken. So after a few minutes of adding the cornstarch, you can see kumakapal na siya. Just make sure to keep stirring it. Kung di magiging gel siya, and sometimes the kids eat it, medyo parang slime yung kinakain nila. We don't want that. We just want the sauce nice and thick para pag i-topping sa rice, masarap siya. Okay, so we're almost done na. One tip, mga mommies, aside sa healthy and delicious dishes, how you present your meal is nakakatulong din para makaengganyo sa family nyo na kumain. I support local products, not just with food, but also with my dinnerware. My favorite local brand, Mellawares, is a proudly Pinoy brand. They have a variety of designs which are affordable and matibay talaga. Perfect for every day or for special occasions. And that's it. I've got my healthy plant-based meal for lunch today. Now I'm just gonna wait for my kids and my husband so we can enjoy this together. Please check out the recipes on mesanimisses.com and also check out mellawares.com for your online shopping. Happy and healthy eating to you all.